Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and this is the very first video of this channel. And in this video I'll be teaching you the basics of discord.js so that you can also make your own discord bot. So let's get right into it. Okay, so to create a discord.js bot you will need a few things, and the first thing is node.js. If you have not installed it, then you need to install it. Just follow the steps I'm doing. Go to any browser and in search bar type node.js download, and the first link of nodejs.org, click on it, and from here you can either download the LTS version, which is basically the, you can say, stable version, or the current version which might have a few bugs, which is basically not stable completely. You can download either of them, and I'll be downloading the current version, then run it. Accept the terms, install location, next, and from here you can either check it or uncheck it, it's your wish. It will basically download some additional files which are required. They will be required in future videos for advanced for development, so for now you can untick it, this is not necessary for now, and then install. After you have node.js installed, you will need a code editor. I prefer using Visual Studio Code, and to download Visual Studio Code you need to go to the browser and type Visual Studio Code download, and the first link you can download Visual Studio Code from here. A node.js has been installed. Let's finish it. You can download it from for your operating system. I already have it downloaded, so I'm not gonna download it. You just have to download and install it. And then the next thing is obviously is Discord account, and in Discord account you need to go to Discord developers portal, discord.com/developers, and here in applications section create a new application and name it whatever you want to name it. Discord.js tutorial, accept, create. This is our application, it is not a bot, and this is our application ID. From here go to the bot section. Now this is the bot that we will be using. You can rename the bot from here, discord.js tutorial, and save changes. I gotta use another username. Save. Okay, it has been saved, I suppose. Yeah, no. Discord tutorial wizard 0. Let's try this one. Let's just forget it, keep it. I'm gonna keep it the default one. Okay, and scroll a little down and you see the privilege gateway intents. We will be using them later in later videos. I'm just gonna give you a brief about them. They are basically intents that is required for you to verify your bot from Discord if your bot is in more than 100 servers. If it is in less than 100 servers, then you can enable it without any verification from Discord. They are basically intents that lets you see the presence update of users, the server members, the total members, information of members, etc., and the message content. In recent days, Discord has disabled the message content viewing without this intent to reduce the API load, which is why we need to enable it if we want to see the message contents as well. For now, I'll keep it as it is. I'm not gonna enable anything. Now let's go to the code editor. I'm using Visual Studio Code. Here, go to the Explorer, open folder. Now you can create a new folder. I'm gonna create it on desktop. New folder, discord.js tutorial. I'm gonna choose this folder and open. Trust. Yes, I trust. Alright, now our folder is open in Visual Studio Code. So the first thing you need to do is install the packages. Go to terminal and new terminal. Here you need to type npm. It is a package that was installed with node.js that you installed first. Npm init initialize and press enter. Now the package name, what will be the name of this package? You can either keep it default, which is inside the bracket, or you can type whatever you want. Discord tutorial. The package name cannot have space and cannot be in capital letters. And the version of the package, I'm gonna keep it default, then press enter. Description, if you wanna set any description, then you can. Discord bot develop or tutorial video. Entry point, this will be the name of the main file that we will be using. I'm gonna keep it index.js. Test command, it's nothing we have. We don't have a git repository, no keywords. Author Ronak, that's my name. License, keep it default. Yes. Now we have got a new file, package.json. It stores the details that we just entered. Now the main file that we chose was index.js. We're gonna make this file in this pod folder. Click on this new file button and name it index.js. Whatever you type in this file will run whenever you run the command to get the bot online. So now, because we are using this core.js library, we first need to install it. Discord.js.org. We will be using this package to develop the bot, and to install it, get back to terminal of your bot folder and type npm install discord.js. You just need to type this and press enter. It will install the discord.js package in your bot folder. Here is a new folder that you can see node modules and a new file, package log.json. This file is not really needed. It just stores the details of the packages you installed, and node modules stores all the packages that you installed. Here is discord.js that we just installed. Now getting back to index.js, the first thing we're gonna do is call for the library. We're gonna import the code from the library. So constant discord is equals to require discord.js. The variable discord, the constant discord, will store the classes of discord.js library. Now we need to declare a client for our bot, which will be constant client is equals to new discord.client. Our client is the bot which stores the class information of discord.client. Discord package has a class named client and it is installed in this constant. Now we're gonna make an event which will be called by the bot, which is client.on. Whenever the client is ready is the name of the event, and arrow function console.log bot is online. Whenever the client is ready, do this function, which is console.log bot is online. And now we also need to get the bot online, and to log into Discord, make our bot log into Discord, we need a password and email for user accounts. The same thing is for Discord accounts. The only difference is we need tokens. Get back to the Discord developers portal, and in the bot section here is option reset token. Click on it. Yes, do it. Now it is asking me for my authentication code. Let me just enter it, just a second. Now here you can see a token. This will be our bot login credential. You must keep it hidden. Anyone having access to this token will be able to get inside your bot. So just copy this token and here type client.login and paste the token here as a string. And now we should also invite our bot to our server. I have created a test server for testing. Go to OAuth2 section and URL generator. Here click on bot and applications.command. This scope is used to use the slash commands for the bots, and this is to declare that the application we are generating URL for is a bot, and the permission that you want to give to your bot in the server, I'm just gonna ahead and give administrator permission, which means every permission all in one go. Now scroll down and copy this URL and go to a new tab and paste the URL. And invite the bot to your server. Authorize. Human. Power lines. Verify. Here we have our bot here, and right now it is offline. Now get back to code, and in the terminal, after you have completed this, type node index.js. It means we are telling the node file to run the index.js file, node framework to run index.js file, and hit enter. Oh, we have not declared intents. In the client section, create an object in the client constructor and type intents and create an array, and here type discord.intents bitbuild.flags.guild guilds. This means we are telling the bot to be able to fetch all the guilds the bot is in. Let's try to run the bot again. Node index.js. Bot is online. Now let's check our Discord, and here our bot is online. But right now we don't have any flash commands or any prefix commands in our bot, which we will be making in next video. For this video, this is all. Thank you for watching. I hope I was able to make things clear, and do tell me in comments if I lack anything, because this is my first video actually where I'm teaching something. So yeah, thank you for watching. See you in the next video. We'll continue in next video, and soon we will start making advanced commands as well. For now we'll do the basics for the first 5 to 10 videos, then we'll get to the advanced parts like economy, leveling system, etc. Yeah, see you next time.